Keratin-encased pins grow from the follicles and start out with their own blood supply that nourishes the feather. When the feather is done growing, the blood supply shrinks back down and the new feather is ready to be released. A bird is able to preen these feathers over most of its own body, but they're unable to reach their head and neck. In the wild, members of their flock would help them with these pin feathers, but in captivity, you can help your bird molt by gently pinching and removing the keratin sheath. Although it can create a lot of